In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your schedule with Outlook Calendar and Monday.com, an integration that can streamline your workflow and help you stay organized effortlessly. Let's dive in and guide you through setting up this integration step by step. First, you need to prepare your Monday.com board. Begin by ensuring that your board has specific columns, each playing a crucial role in the automation process. Start with the task name or item column, which should describe the task or event you want to automate. Next, have a date or timeline column that includes both the start and end dates. Following this, a status column is essential, where you can set statuses such as not started, in progress, or done. Lastly, make sure there's an owner or people column where you can assign the task to yourself or a team member. This setup is fundamental for easy tracking and automation. Once your board is ready, it's time to dive into the integrations. Look to the top right of your board for the Integrate button. Clicking this will open a menu where you'll select Outlook Calendar from the available integrations. This step links your Monday.com board with your Outlook calendar, paving the way for seamless synchronization and automation. With the integration in place, you'll now want to choose your automation recipe. Several popular recipes can guide your automation setup. For instance, consider the recipe that creates an event in Outlook Calendar whenever a new item is created in Monday.com. Another useful option is to add items to the calendar whenever their status changes to scheduled. There's also a handy recipe for updating an Outlook calendar event directly from Monday.com, ensuring your online schedule matches your project updates effortlessly. Connecting your accounts is the next crucial step. Promptly log into your Outlook account when the system asks. It's vital to grant Monday.com access, allowing it to create and update events within your calendar. During this process, you'll also choose which specific calendar you'd like to sync with Monday.com. Mapping your columns correctly is the next task on the agenda. Make sure the item name in Monday.com corresponds to the event title in Outlook Calendar. Likewise, the timeline column should map to the start and end date fields. Optionally, you can map the people column to invitees and any notes or files to the event description. This careful mapping ensures that all relevant information is reflected accurately across platforms. At this point, you'll want to customize triggers based on your workflow needs. You can choose to sync events instantly as new items are created, when there's a status change, or for recurring tasks that should be added automatically to your calendar. Lastly, test the integration to confirm everything is set correctly. Create a test task in Monday.com and check if it appears in your Outlook calendar. Make updates and see if changes sync both ways should you have enabled two-way synchronization. This ensures your setup is faultless and your schedule remains automated and organized, and that's how you automate your schedule with Outlook Calendar and Monday.com. Implement these steps, and you'll have a smooth, automated workflow that keeps you on top of your tasks and appointments with ease.